Hello, hello. My name is Elena Harder of evolvinghumanity.com, and today we are talking about recreating web pages in Thrive Themes, why my company Evolving Humanity uses Thrive Themes, and just showing you how easy and amazing and fantastic it can be to create a whole new page like that. How it takes less than 5 minutes to create a new page in Thrive. So to start with, we have this page, which is in a WordPress site. This is just a page about the core values of our company. We've already used many things, and this page just hasn't been converted to Thrive yet, so I figured I would show you how we do it. Now, normally in WordPress, when you are editing something, you're looking at a page that looks something like this. Passion, dun, da, da. And although it has a visual editor where you can show, this is the HTML editor, but it does have a visual editor where you can edit things and move around. You're often clicking, you're doing this game of like update, waiting for it to update, okay, and then we're going to view the page. It's going to load the new page. Okay, waiting. It's freaking tedious and really annoying. Oh, look, now it's bolded, passion, but it's still not centered. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we are going to center it right now. I'm using showing off my HTML skills right now. Center tag, bringing me back. So then you go update, hit F5, you reload the page, check it out. Okay, now it's centered. Awesome. And this is a tedious process of going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And I actually considered giving up web design and I love it because it was so freaking tedious to update and change things in WordPress. Then I came across Thrive Content Builder, and it changed everything. And I would never, ever, ever build a site without it. And people who are looking to go with Wix or Weebly or maybe Squarespace because of the front-end editor space, I always recommend that they try Thrive before they do that, especially if they're thinking about moving from a WordPress site because it's not user-friendly. Thrive Themes has a whole selection of themes, and they also have just a standalone content builder, so you can build different pages using this powerful tool. So let me show you how easy it is to make a gorgeous looking tool in Thrive, okay? A gorgeous looking page. So this is the content builder. I'm going to move my head over here. And so this is the content builder main window. It gives you the option to save changes, and as you can see, the page is right here. So this is our editing pane. So we're going to start by moving the text pieces over. We click and drag that piece in there. Evolving Humanity believes in these things above all else. So we can do a couple of things. We can do the standard WordPress pieces. We can center, bold, italics, underline. We can change the color of the text to be many different options. We can also change, we can add a highlight. We can change the font to one of the other added fonts that we've created. We can change the padding on the bottom or top or left or right. So if we add there, see it moves over. We don't need to do that. But there's lots of different options that you can do. You can also directly change the font size for anybody who's ever dreaded or cursed just the simpleness of the headings. It's really annoying. Okay, so that's just a really simple piece. Now we're going to add in another text area, and we are going to grab this passion. Okay, we're going to put that in there. Again, this is just copy and paste. Okay. But what if we want to make it look a little bit prettier? Well, we can do this piece. So I have quite a few saved content templates, which are pieces of website that I basically want to save and keep using. So we've got this one about packing your bag, going on a trip with us. We've got this one about star background with featured text, which is what I'm going to use here. Okay, so this is our brand background, and we save these, and when we build client sites, we always save these for them as well. And so we're going to just take all of this text and change it to say passion. I can never spell believe. Right? Those words you just can't spell. I got a couple of them. So now we have this beautiful header that says we believe in passion. And then we have this section of text. We're going to give a little bit more space at the top. There we go. And we may also choose to put it in a content box. So content box is just a stylish way. You can put it in with a headline. You can put, ooh. Right, so just creating and then you see we can drag and drop these sections that we created into the box, right? And then if we want to delete something, we delete it there. If we want to create a copy, we just go like that. So, for example, now I want to create the next box of what we're passionate about. And gorgeousness, okay? So we're going to take the gorgeousness, drag it up here, and as you can see, this is infinitely easier and infinitely more beautiful than just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth in the content builder or in the standard WordPress editing suite. Like, I just can't. So we're going to just save changes while we're working. Thrive does save your changes periodically, and if you work on something for more than 10 minutes, it will poke you and say, hey, you haven't saved in 10 minutes, which is, you know, helpful. So we're going to go back up. We believe in passion. We're going to copy this section, and we're going to drag it down to right here. Passion. We believe in gorgeousness, which is not really a word, but it is in our world, so we'll just run with it. Ooh, not in capitals, though. Actually, we believe in gorgeousness. Again, copying these pieces, and it's just a matter of copying and pasting. If we wanted to change the font to, say, lobster, we're back to Lado, and then if we want to undo, we can simply undo and move it back to there. We got this little smiley, and we're going to delete this other piece that we have in there. Okay, so just getting the idea. We believe in gorgeousness. We believe in beautiful design. There's lots of other things you can do. So if you wanted to add a list, a bullet point list, you can add a bullet point list. If you want to add a little Twitter quote, you can put it in there with an automatic tweet button. If you want to add a little symbol or an icon, you can. There's lots of different testimonial styles. You can see there with pictures, you can change these pictures out. Just like that. Choose a different image from the WordPress media library. Dun, 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 dun. And the picture changes. All of these text pieces are editable, and so this color box is also editable. You can change what color that is. So as you can see, it's really easy to build really beautiful things. We can create custom pricing tables. Just like that, boom, click, boom, click. We can create tabbed content. So that would be like this, you know, providing info. I could do first, second, and third values like that, but I like the spread out version. We can insert YouTube videos just like that. Let's find a little YouTube video. This is a trance music video. And we just pop the URL right in there. We're going to hide the YouTube logo, hide the player controls, hide related videos, hide the video title bar. You can see it disappears, and hide the full screen button. Actually, I like to leave the player controls in case people want to move back and forth. And as you can see, the video is just simply inserted. Lead generation, so automatic linkage to whatever service you're using. Connect with service. We create a new connection to your different accounts. Wow, powerful. You can change the error message, you can change the buttons, the areas. Again, all of the colors are fully customizable. Lots of different options there. You can change the margins so the field is smaller, right? Okay, lots of different things. You can super cool. So WordPress has this ability to add posts. You can add posts, categories. So we're going to say happy clients. That's our happy clients posts. We're going to say we want 6 of them. Cool, save, and it auto-populates with pictures from our tabs from our happy clients. Thrive leads forms, self-love experiment, so little built-in lead boxes. You can also, what else? Oh my gosh, there's so much. Click to call. These are special buttons that when you click on them in mobile and not so mobile, they just go directly to the phone. They open up your phone list, so if people are looking on, if they're looking on their phone, they can just click the button and it'll pop up to call you automatically. There's also a selection of call to action buttons, all pre-formatted in different styles. So you just customize the text and send the button to point wherever it is that you want the button to point. Super powerful, lots of different things. So obviously there's lots of stuff on this that we did not even use. You can also insert custom HTML if you're still an HTML nerd and you want to add things, whatever, custom HTML. Code away, baby, code away. Yeah, I mean, mostly you just use the first couple. Ooh, buttons. I forgot about buttons. Check it out. Buttons. You can make buttons square. You can add credit card icons. You can make them round. You can make them big. You can make them freaking huge. You can make them in between, you know, you can make them teeny tiny. Whatever you want to do, link them to whatever. Super powerful. Oh, and then event manager. So you can also create custom light boxes that pop up and do whatever it is that you want to do. So you want to open a light box. Say we want it to open the breakthrough session light box, and we can choose whether it's zooming in, zooming out, rotating in, sliding in from the top, sliding in from the bottom, or sliding in from the side. Just like that. Isn't that cool? Where's my save button? Okay, cool, right? Lots of different things we can do. So, and then, if we want to move things around, we just click and drag them. Can pop them in anywhere. Ooh, I love columns. Don't forget columns. Columns are here, so we can do like thirds, quarters. This used to be really difficult in WordPress. Columns were like insanely difficult to do. So now they are easy. We can create 1, 2, 3, put in a picture of somebody over here. So I'm showing you all of this just because WordPress basically hit a plateau with me where I was considering going to a different platform because I didn't want to, it was just painful to go through all of the different upload, backload, check it out, I don't know, maybe, you know, all of these different things, and it was getting to be a real pain in the ass to create stuff that I thought was beautiful and that I actually liked creating. And then I discovered this and I was like, wow, awesome. And our customers find it really easy to use, really awesome. And we offer a package where we will rebuild your WordPress site on Thrive Themes for you for a very reasonable rate so that you can get started. You don't have to worry about copying and pasting. We have a beautiful Evolving Humanity team in the Philippines who loves doing stuff like that and takes care of all the details. So if you're interested in that, go to evolvinghumanity.com/yes and let us know what you're interested in. You're interested in doing a Thrive migration, and we would be happy to help you with that. If you have any questions, you can always go to thrivethemes.com, and there is an affiliate link in the bottom there. If you're going to buy it through us, because, hey, we get a commission and it makes us happy. I love this product. I would never build websites without it ever again. They're consistently adding the most phenomenal pieces. There's a whole Thrive Leads where you can split test different opt-in boxes against each other, lead bars, pop up on exit, pop up on intro, all sorts of different things, and you can set them to basically compete against each other, and whichever one works best, implement after 3 weeks or 2 weeks or 1 week or whatever it is that you want. What else do they do fantastically? Oh, they have a whole like e-course setup thing that's just freaking beautiful. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's fantastic. Give it a try, and get in contact with us if you want help moving your site over. We would be happy to help. Don't forget to be yourself, or please remember to be yourself. By being yourself, you do change the world. And this has been Elena Harder of evolvinghumanity.com, just giving you the best of tech and internal processing to become the evolutionary leader that you truly want to be. I honor you on your mission and your journey, and thank you for watching. Have a beautiful